In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a Forex trade on TradingView. We'll walk through the full process from the chart to the confirmation so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening the chart you want to trade. Make sure you're on the correct Forex pair and the correct time frame for your strategy. If you're analyzing on multiple time frames, get those set up first so your entry and risk levels are clear before you place anything. Next, click the trading panel at the bottom of the chart. This is where TradingView connects to supported brokers and to the built-in paper trading account. You'll see a list of options along with your connection status. Choose your broker, for example forex.com, and connect. A secure login window will open. Sign in with your broker credentials only inside this window. Double check that you're connecting to the right region or account type if your broker offers more than one. If you're not ready to connect a live account, select paper trading. It's perfect for practice and the steps you will take to place a trade are effectively the same. Once connected, look for the trade button next to your broker in the trading panel and click it to open the order ticket. The ticket pops up on the chart so you can see your levels in context. Now fill in your order details. Enter the buying price if you're placing a pending order, or switch to market execution if you want an immediate fill. Set the number of units according to your risk plan. Make sure the position size aligns with your stop distance and acceptable risk per trade. Add your take profit and stop loss levels so the trade is managed automatically. If your broker supports it, you'll also see estimated cost, margin, and pip value. Review these to avoid surprises. A quick tip: confirm your price format and symbol settings so you don't accidentally place the order on the wrong instrument or with the wrong lot size. When everything looks correct, click Buy at the bottom of the ticket. TradingView will submit the order through your connection. Don't rush this click, use it as your final review moment. You'll see a notification confirming that the order has been placed. That's your first checkpoint that the request was received. Open the Orders tab in the panel below to view the working order. This is where pending orders live until they're filled, modified, or cancelled. Once the order fills, it moves to the Positions tab. If the market isn't open yet, the order will remain in a working state and won't appear as an active position until trading resumes. And that's the full flow of placing a Forex trade on TradingView.